some people speak and everybody wants to listen to them, but there are people who speak but nobody wants to listen them. It's not about the confidence, it's not about the English fluency, it's not about correct usage of word, it's about how to master storytelling. Because if you are a fresher student or a data professional, a master of storytelling will multiply things for you which you can't imagine for yourself. So hi, welcome back to Talk Data with Jen. I help freshers in their data and AI career. And in this video, I will tell you how you can master your art of storytelling. So let's get started. And storytelling is not about writing big stories, novels, and using a correct usage of vocabulary or a fancy vocabulary, which we say in English, but it's about how you tell your story so that people remember you. Let me tell you something very important is that your interview is a storytelling, your LinkedIn is also a storytelling, which from which you can tell your stories. Even your data presentation skills are your storytelling. Suppose for example, if you say I did an internship in XYZ organization, but this is the information you are telling to a specific person. But if you will be explaining in that way, I did an internship in that I worked on different data set and I have cleaned that data set in 3 hours. Also, that is a story which you want to tell to your interviewer, because it create a impact, as well as it shows what value do you have created from that particular organization, or what value you have created through your work. Because story is not about just sharing your information, it's about how you can remember, or it's about how people can remember you through your story. Now I will give you a simple framework wherever you want to tell a story, be at your interview, be at giving a presentation. Number one is that what was the situation, क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पे. Number two, क्या struggle आपने face करा, as in what was the difficulty, what are the challenges. Number three, what was the shift, मतलब उस चीज को करने में आपने क्या क्या actions लिए. Number fourth is what lesson did you learn from that particular situation or from that particular interview. Now I will give you an example from my real life situation. Usually I do live sessions on my channel, as you are a subscriber and you know about it. So I took something out of my comfort zone, is that मैंने अपना live session एक public place में करा. तो first of all, my situation was that I was very scared and I was very much conscious about people, that what people will think about me, or how they will be judging me, or they will be starting mocking me. But that was never the situation. And what was the struggle behind is that, will I be able to do it or not? Will I have that confidence to do that or not? But the lesson or mindset that shifted from that live session to my future live session is that now I am more confident to do live sessions in more public places, because now I have that much of confidence, because nobody cared about you, nobody sees what you are doing, because you have that self confidence and you know you are doing for yourself and you are doing for your subscribers. So from this storytelling, I told you my situation, my struggles, my shift of mindset from being shy to doing public live sessions, and I have learned for my future live sessions. This is the real meaning of storytelling. Now we'll see how you can use this framework in your interview or in your presentation skills if you are a student or you are a fresher. Now understand this in a more practical manner. In an interview, never say I am a hardworking and a passionate person. Instead of that, what you can say that I did improve my skills on SQL for giving me 30 days of challenge of improving SQL. Or even you can say that I have analyzed my weaknesses so that in the next interview I can improve and I can clear that interview. That shows growth and or how you have improved from that particular situation. Now next comes on LinkedIn, don't ever say that I attended an event. Instead of that, what you can say is that I attended an event and I have no idea what I will be going to do in that event, but one conversation about AI or one lesson from the networking or from networking I got, so that I can improve or I can upscale myself according to the industry. Shows a zeal to learn things and to improve yourself, even in your struggle times, or even what lessons you have learned from that particular situation. Let me leave you with this. You do not need a fancy life to be a storyteller, because your awkward moments, your weaknesses, your failures, and even your thoughts are a part to be uh, told, or to be or to be come out in a storytelling way. You just need a structure, a proper structure, to just tell to the world about your story, your weaknesses, and even your failures, so that they can turn into your success. Your story is not small, it just needs some kind of revamp or a proper structure, so that you can tell to the world. If this helped you in any way, so tell me what story you have differently in the comment section. Till then, keep learning, keep growing, and subscribe to Talk Data with Jen. You will be seeing more content around this, so stay tuned for that. Thank you so much.